Welcome everybody. In this challenge, we will find the longest word from the array. So in our function, we will be given an array with multiple words and we need to find the one which is the longest word. So if you check the first example, we have words like more, please, coffee. So in this case, we need to return please because please is the one which is having the more number of characters. In other words, it is the longest word in this collection. As I mentioned previously as well, there are multiple solutions available and we can write for any problem. But in this case, I want to show you two methods. The first one is using the built-in methods and the next one we will write our own custom logic. So let's try to attempt this problem. So the first method I'm going to use is by using sort method, because we have used sort in the previous challenges as well, and you know very well that we can sort the elements and the values of array either in ascending order or in descending order. So let's write it down. Let's check what values we have. So in the array we have these three words, more, please, coffee. Let's return array dot sort. If you check the output, it is sorted properly, but not according to our logic. So it is sorted because of the string comparison. The C comes first, that's why it is first, then M, then P. In this case, you might be looking at the output and you must be thinking, oh, this is correct. Why don't you return the last value from the array? But that is not the case. It is sorted according to the alphabetical order of the words, not according to the logic that we want to write. We want to check the longest word from the collection. So as you know that the sort method accepts a comparator function. We call it as a predicate. So it expects two values, A and B. And this definitely need a separate video to explain what it does actually. So I'll demonstrate what it does internally. If you write a code, two different scenarios, if you reverse the condition, then how the output is getting transformed. So let's first write, if you want to sort it in descending order, then we write b dot length. B is definitely the word from the collection. B dot length minus a dot length. In this case, it is sorted in descending order. If you change it to a dot length minus b dot length, then it will be sorted in ascending order. So we are simply rearranging them according to the length each word has. In our case, we want to sort it in a descending order. Then let's reverse the condition. And if I can check the output, we are actually returning the array, and our output is at the 0th index. So we know that the output of this line of code is array. Then add a square bracket and write the 0th index. By doing so, we are correctly returning the word which is the longest among the collection. But we are doing it using the inbuilt method available in JavaScript. If we change the input to the moon, so this word has 2 characters, this one has 3, and this is having 4. So in this case, the method we wrote, it should return moon. So let's paste the input, and if you check that, we are correctly returning the output moon by using the sort method.